Today, I'm trying to cook on a gas grill. My apartment complex has a gas grill, so we're gonna try to cook it. I got some hot dogs, hamburgers, and some chicken. Oh, and some asparagus. You know, cutting the chicken in half to make more pieces of it. Perfect. Eating the chicken with adobo saison, and a little bit of blackened seasoning. And just gotta stir it up with the rice on. Gotta add that butter and season your butter. Just like that. The burger, a bunch of the burger, asparagus, carrots, and I put everything in my book bag because I gotta walk. So we'll see. I got my cast iron because I'm gonna cook. So, got everything. We're gonna walk to the place now. Everybody fall asleep. Sometimes I don't know why. Sometimes my arms already are tired. So we're walking. It's a beautiful day out here. I'll show you my little cooking patio area. Ooh, this cast iron got my hands heavy, hands heavy, hands heavy, hands heavy, hands heavy. Yeah. Let's sit here and look at the view. Look at the view. But must be, dog, I have never used a gas grill before in my life. If anybody knows what I'm doing wrong, let me pop these up in here. We just gonna give it time. It's a little hot, but both sides aren't really cooking, so it's just this one side. So I was wrong. It is cooking. Since we think it's cooking, it's time to add our chicken into that thing. Onto the chicken. The sausage. Looking pretty much done. We're gonna put them over here. If you don't like your Polo sausage busting open, we cannot be friends. So then we're gonna move our chicken over. All of that goodness. Patties on here. The chicken. seasoning up on it. Enough seasoning up on it. It's done. And I'm gonna put that to the side. So now it's time for the big boy. I don't know how this is going to work because I have to carry this up some stairs, but fuck it, we ball. Don't let that butter melt. Now, gonna add that asparagus to it. Maybe. They give me a burger. Let me cook. Oh, you tried it, but I gotta try it. Yep. So we got that. So, as I finish up, my overall opinion on the gas grill, it's not that good for real. Me personally, I like the charcoal grill, brother. I said it before, I'm gonna say it again. But man, if you guys like this video, thank you guys. Thank you guys for being with me on this journey of using the gas grill for the first time ever. I'm gonna start posting more videos, man. Like, subscribe, follow, baby. Hey, keep the vibes good. Keep the vibes good, and the eats even better. Peace.